There, I took them all out. I only have the pets in there. The ones that are included as pets. Oh, shush it. Which one is it? Oh, wait, shush it, Bear. Shush it, Bear. Tell them to get pets. Now this will be easy. There's only 3. Well, I shouldn't say that yet, actually. Because I actually don't even know. All I know is that I got one before. And it was Donald Duck. And it was not hard at all.